Samantha. I have 2 Crossfire XT3.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Well, I like this. Nice, looks good. If they go up, yeah. That's a lot quieter. So what's your name and what's in here, ma'am?
My name is Samantha. I have 2 Crossfire XT3 18s, and they're on 2 SCV 4Ks.
Okay, very nice. Wow. Well, this is a deep box.
Yes.
Is this considered a bandpass or a ported? Or do you know what the box is?
It's a parallel 6.
Okay. Very nice. Who built it?
I built it.
You did. Very nice. Okay. I always ask because some people you never know. I like it. And the fur design, I'm sure it flexes a lot. Looks really good. What are your amps wired to on the subs? The impedance on them. Are they 1 ohm, half ohm, 0.6?
I think they're
Half ohm. Okay. Nice. And your electrical battery alternator power?
I have the alternator is a 320 Autotech, and the battery I have a 120 amp hour
Yinglong. Okay. Very nice. I like it. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Very nice. It looks good. Did a good job building it into the vehicle. Was it a slide-in or did you build in and panel it off?
Oh no, we built it in the vehicle.
Okay.
It was tight fit there.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, we can put the windows. I always do that for the info. Nice wrap. We go look at the back. Is the back open? The power? Okay. Awesome. Nice door pods. Yeah, looks good. Take a picture real quick if you want to be in it or not. Sorry. Is it okay if I put the seat up?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just get a better angle.
You're really trying to get a good picture.
I do it in every video.
I know.
Be sure to give her a like. Great bass demo.
Struggle within himself and his demons. Then he told me the more that he started to understand his demons, the more that he started to love it. tomorrow. Back to Memphis to see my daughters. If I don't show up, then know something is wrong. That is just not right.
Made me sneeze a little. Bass tickles your nose. I'm sorry. Very nice job. I really like it.
Thank you.
I appreciate the demo.
Of course.
Really different, unique design. What was it called again? The way
Parallel 6.
Parallel 6. Nice. I like the way.
Designed by Jester.
Jester. Okay. Did a really good job. I like it. Nice to meet you. Your name?
Thank you, Samantha.
Samantha. Okay, Samantha. Thank you.